So many people talk about how you need to heal from cheating, but it's rarely ever explained how. This can be such a frustrating experience because you're still stuck on how hurt you are and you don't know how to move forward from that. This is why I'm about to explain 5 different ways you can help yourself to heal after being cheated on. But before I begin, if you're not already subscribed, please take a moment, pause this video, and do so. The reality is that adulthood is hard, and I'm here to help you through it with weekly advice videos I post every Friday. Now let's get started on that list. Number 1, you gotta accept what happened and look for truths. Yeah, your loved one cheated, and right now you are going through so many different emotions. I want to remind you that all of the emotions you're feeling are completely normal to feel. One thing you might be struggling with is the question of why. This question can lead to a series of answers that cause you to feel inadequate. You are already broken over what your loved one did, but now there's an added layer of insecurity that begins to creep in. This is why it's so important to stop asking yourself why it happened and just accept that it happened. Remember, why it happened doesn't have to do with you. It has to do with them. And it's also important to look for truths. Yes, they cheated on you. Now let's look for some truths in this. Did your love cheat on you with someone who is better than you? Abso-freaking-lutely not. And don't you dare tell yourself that shit. We are not gonna bring that kind of energy into your life. You don't need that kind of negativity because you and I both know that's not true. You are wonderful. So why did they do it? It doesn't matter why they did it. That's on them. That's their fault. That's their problem. That's their own selfish desire that they put over everything else. Is them cheating on you a reflection of your value? Once again, hell no. It's their fault they cheated. You are a treasure. You are the Mona Lisa of paintings. And anyone who doesn't see that, anyone who doesn't recognize that, is someone that doesn't even deserve to have you in your life. You deserve to be with someone who sees you the way someone who admires art sees the Mona Lisa. Them cheating was their choice. Not because of you, but because of them. If you find yourself spiraling with thoughts that are bringing you down into the darkness, I want you to stop yourself. I want you to tell yourself, no, I am better than this, and I'm not gonna do this to myself. And I want you to repeat as many positive things that lift you back up. I am worthy. I am lovable. I am a treasure. I am a queen or a king. I am worthy of being loved, and I am better than the treatment they have given me. Number 2, I want you to explore your feelings. There are so many feelings you're struggling with right now, and that is completely normal. It can almost feel chaotic as you're having all these thoughts and emotions just pouring in through your mind, clouding your mind with almost a dark fog. When someone cheats on you, the one feeling that stays consistently the same is the feeling of pain. And they betrayed you, so it's understandable why you feel this pain. It is a result of broken trust, and trust is something that should be treasured. Pain can lead you to end up questioning how much love they had for you. It can mean feeling that you're not good enough. It can lead to confusion and feeling lost. There are hundreds of different things that you can be feeling right now, and it is completely understandable why you would feel this way. I want you to work through each of these feelings and remind yourself that you don't need to be telling yourself lies that bring you down further. Number 3, I want you to write your loved one a letter and burn it. I want you to write to them about how you feel, how it impacted you, the damage they caused. I want you to pour everything out onto this letter. Whatever you need to say to them, I want you to say it in this letter. But instead of handing it to them when you're finished, I want you to either process it with your therapist or I want you to burn it in a fire-safe area. I want you to imagine all of that pain being like smoke and raising up into the air before it disappears. As the smoke fades away, I want you to think about your pain fading and embrace that, because that will happen. Your pain, all those emotions, all the things that you're feeling is going to fade because you're going to get through this. I know sometimes it doesn't feel that way, but you will. You've got this. And you are so much stronger than the pain they have put you through. When you're finished burning it, I want you to say this out loud or say whatever you feel in your heart. You may have hurt me, but I will get through this and I will become stronger than I ever thought was possible. I deserve better than what you put me through. Number 4, I want you to build something. I want you to start a project that represents what you're going through. It can be creating a mosaic or building a piece of furniture. It can be building a treehouse or putting together a bike. There are hundreds of different things you can do that represents the creation of something. Each piece you put together will represent a different part of what you're going through. You can put a label on them if you want to. Heartache, pain, stress, jealousy, or fear. Whatever it is that you're feeling, those parts are going to represent. As you put this together, I want you to imagine this object representing you putting yourself together. You picking up the different pieces of your life and creating something with it. And you are putting yourself together despite what they did, despite what they put you through. Because like I said, you are stronger than this. This object is going to represent you. It's going to represent how the pain caused you to feel broken apart and how you decided to then put yourself back together. Every time you decide to put another piece together on this project, I want you to imagine that you are creating a new version of yourself. Yes, your past may have felt like it has broken you, but that doesn't mean you need to stay broken. You will heal. You will become whole again, and you will become stronger from this. And these struggles will become your strength. Number 5, and most important of all, if you're having trouble processing what you're going through and you're having trouble processing through the pain, do not hesitate to see a therapist. Look at therapists like the doctors of the mind, and sometimes you need to just say, you know what? I need a little bit of help. It's okay to say that. Sometimes one of the most beneficial things you can do is talk to someone who understands and talk to someone who can help you to heal. Like I said before, therapists are like doctors of the mind. They are there to help you process what you are going through and to help you work towards healing from that. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, I post weekly advice videos to help you live a happier and healthier life. I hope you have a beautiful day.